In today's video, we are going to look at some amazing little things that are giant, from the shape of the car to the sheer size of the food. Everything will blow your mind. This team is about to create a long masterpiece of Satan's path that took more than 3.5 weeks. But this time, the rains and ocean currents ruined it. Nakarleel is one of more than 1,000 people in India. The team has produced the largest sheet in the world. It is about 1,20,000, more than 1,000 square feet of pizza is also available. This guy has ordered too many pizzas. There is no such thing as a large pizza, but instead, you want everything in the world. The biggest pizza ever made is 130 feet in diameter and 20,000. There is a small chance for the eyes to know the details. On behalf of the magician, put it on the desk, and at first glance, it's just the tallest bicycle in the world. You have to be very brave to even think about running it. How dare Primblet ride this 15-foot tall bicycle in San Francisco? These people roamed the streets and prepared to topple the world at 114 feet tall. It is also the tallest building in the world. It is said to be the biggest bowl in the world. As these people are here can swim in the morning, they wear swimsuits for breakfast. It's about eating cornflakes on its own, though I mixed it with milk and put it on the passport if you have an impossible addiction. Then these giant-sized chicken nuggets. It's important to let people know you have an iPhone for yourself. Maybe the world's biggest icon is perfect for you. Custom Art Cara has full icons for you to give your contacts a special look. If you are a hot dog fan, then you are the most overweight person in the world, and the tall one is for you to feed 500 people, enough to be about 40 feet tall and weigh about 37 forms. The least reason I drive is to get another car if I get stuck in traffic. But it was not enough for this man that he was this giant we have built, that which is not 21.6 feet long, i.e. any carrots, almost as if this person has made a lighter than anyone else, about 50 times bigger than the writer wants to tell everything with its fire, from creating posts to starting everything possible. Beast wants nothing less. Disgusted with the haircut, he made a big speech about it, and it is now the biggest superstar in the world. It is so powerful no class body can easily break it. Even if it is a fire, it can drain 18 times more water than a truck. The world's largest shopping cart looks like a pink cart. The car is powered by an engine rated at 290 horsepower. Powerful. It's the best scooter in the world. Even though it's about driving my cart, it's impossible. But those who use it to drive it will surely give. These huge size shoes can be recorded if an assistant of normalized size can be enlarged, made this huge number, and it easily accommodates more than 12 people. Humans can fly, even though its controllers are much more rigid. Records 10 pavement RP 850 weighs around 227 kilograms. Normal for any gaming console, 100 times bigger, and all the fun stuff. It's like on a normal console. It works as well as makes the park very comfortable. If your favorite fast food is the 1,793 pound world's largest is for you. It took a full 16 hours to make and cost approximate $8,000 monster truck is pretty big, but it's a big boot. 500 status T, the world's largest RV monster truck. A drive no one can come close to you while doing it. It's the world the largest floating, and many have probably seen smaller versions of the children. The biggest talk of toy accounts is that this duck of the 6-story deal is basically men. The attractively constructed watershed is often expensive. Consolidate rubber bands into the world's largest rubber band manufacturer. History, though what he is going to do with it is not yet known. If you're going to play a game, it's the best as this. Air pressure changes the bath materials should be found. This supersized version of the classic game was really enjoyed at the birthday party, because we usually find a few balloons of the same color. But it is unusual. This guy is about one color balloon rather than many balloons extended to 36 feet 10 inches. Casey, a small town in Illinois, where created the world's largest marketing chair for any common stock. More than wide and 57.5 feet tall. With some things, maybe if they look small, they will be transformed into a large size, as scary as this giant rabbit doll found in the mountains of Italy. The biggest example many can think of is the world's largest table tennis bat. It's easy to hit any ball, but the reality is maybe because it's too heavy for a professional player. Playable with this is the world's largest plastic cup pyramid, which is the Guinness Book of World Record for upcoming Star Wars movie 42. 932 plastic cups are used by cinema workers in Mexico. A report tower was built over several days by this massive 292, and the TV owner may have serious eye problems, and 923 movies going for the ultimate viewing experience. This guy is probably happy with smaller sized matches. There were about 15 seconds, and a large-sized match was Medea. Fun thing to do is to light a fire like a real match. It is the largest balloon in the world, with a capacity of about 800 gallons of water. One of these people is 1,000 times bigger than the smallest one created, are 42 kg age 61, a world record of football. The name of this plane with wide wings in the field is Star Hall. It is of the world. This aircraft is actually the largest aircraft to be built by joining two planes together. Rockets are used to launch small rockets into space. It's the biggest swing in the world. To buy it and make it in China at 23,000 feet. The pendulum swings about 80 miles per hour. If you are afraid of heights, you can eat for hours. 155 feet height. This custom climbing is not for you. It is the best in the world. 360-degree angle safe, with a height of about 62.5 feet. You have to drive around with your poem or halfway up. Likes to eat chocolate. If there is a possibility of going to the car, a chocolate lover named Pravara is 3 feet tall and weighs 10 pounds. Collate has made, but eating so much chocolate at one time